Hello, dear brother and sister. I'm very happy to meet you also in your channel. And today I want to share you the secret, and it's very important. If you are sick or have someone who is sick, I'm going to explain you. Firstly, you should to write what you see in your text. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim and the secret. And you are going to close this Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam tasliman amin fayakun. And you should you fold the sheet with a rope and carry it around your neck. Okay, you fold the sheet with a rope and carry it around your neck, inshallah. And after every day you should to take your, after you are going to take your container dough, and you should to recite the name Ya Salam, Ya Salam, Ya Salam, Ya Salam for 777. Ya Salam, Ya Salam for 777 in the container. Why? Okay, and after you should to give it in a person who is sick. He drank a little and rubs the rest in his body. Okay, and rest in his body. Okay, so I'm going to leave you, and I will meet you tomorrow, inshallah. Take care. Good continuation. Goodbye.